The Martin County Courthouse will be getting a facelift. A group of concerned citizens are planning to restore the historic landmark. Ken Brady tells us why.
This is what the Martin County Courthouse looked like in the 1960s. The 102-year-old structure hasn't changed much over the years, aside from some obvious signs of neglect since it was closed in 1983. Some wanted to destroy the oldest structure in Williamston to build a parking lot, but Lib Brandon and a group of others persuaded the county commissioners to save the building.
It had meant a lot to everybody, we feel, in Martin County because it's the center of our governmental happenings. It's been here a long time, and we don't have many things that speak of our heritage here.
This is the county's old courtroom. A theater is being planned for this historic area where justice once was passed down. The building's first floor could be home to several businesses and a visitor center for the county. These are just a few of the ideas coming in from people who want to make good use of the facility.
We have said from the beginning that we would like to make it an active part of the community. That means making it income producing.
The Friends of the Old Martin County Courthouse need about $250,000 to make the restoration dreams come true. Right now they're out soliciting both state and private funds to one day make this courthouse again a part of the community. I'm Ken Brady, WITN 7 News, Williamston.